Yeah, 800,000 miles. 800 miles, and sometimes tired.
Is it okay to post you on Facebook?
Facebook?
Yeah.
No.
Is it not okay?
No Facebook.
Yeah. You have Facebook?
No.
You don't have? Really? Follow me. I'm gonna post you on Facebook all over the world. Gonna see how much money you make, you know? Yeah, I have a camera. I have a
You where are you from?
I'm from Afghanistan. Is it okay to post you? Salam alaikum. Is it okay to post you?
Well, I'm from Sas.
Is it okay to post you? Is it okay on Facebook? It's
you.
Is it okay? It's okay or not?
No, absolute no problem.
It's fine.
Yeah,
Okay. You take me.
This.
You have any question to ask? You have any question to ask?
What?
You
This.
have any question to ask? Record me. You have any question to ask?
Trust.
Question.
Question это... question? No question.
No question.
No question.
What's your name?
Jürgen.
Jürgen?
Yeah.
My name is Abraham.
Abraham.
Yeah. Take care, bro.
How long live in USA?
4 years.
Whoa. I only 1 year.
3 year driving.
Ah.
Yeah. You have your phone.
My phone?
Come to my car. Don't take my glasses.
Simai. I don't like Simai because Simai guys, Simai one problem. You police only stop here in Simai. Pick up truck, don't touch, go.
Pull over, I saw you. Let me give you my phone.
No. You like my phone? Yeah.
Don't record them. That's not recording.
No, it's okay.
No, if people don't call you.
Yeah.